Have you ever dreamed of owning your own home but felt overwhelmed by the traditional mortgage application process? Have you heard about SoFi, the fintech company that promises a smoother, faster way to get approved for a home loan? But is it really as easy as they say? Let's dive into the world of SoFi and find out. The traditional home loan process can be a daunting one. It involves mountains of paperwork, credit checks, and endless waiting periods. In recent years, fintech companies like SoFi have emerged, offering a more streamlined approach. They claim to use advanced technology to assess borrowers' eligibility quickly and efficiently. But does this promise hold true? SoFi boasts several key advantages over traditional lenders. Faster approvals, they claim to provide pre-approval decisions in as little as minutes. Minimal documentation, SoFi says they require fewer documents than traditional lenders. Online application, the entire application process can be completed online. Competitive rates, SoFi promises to offer competitive interest rates. While SoFi's claims sound promising, the reality may be more nuanced. Here's what you need to know. Eligibility criteria, SoFi, like any lender, has specific eligibility criteria. While they may be more lenient than some traditional lenders, you'll still need to meet certain requirements, such as having a good credit score and a stable income. Documentation, while SoFi may require fewer documents than traditional lenders, you'll still need to provide proof of income, assets, and debt. The exact requirements can vary depending on your individual circumstances. Approval times, while SoFi claims to offer fast pre-approvals, the time it takes to get a final approval can vary. Factors such as the complexity of your application and market conditions can influence the approval process. Interest rates, SoFi's interest rates can be competitive, but it's important to compare them to other lenders to ensure you're getting the best deal. Factors affecting approval, several factors can affect your chances of getting approved for a SoFi home loan. Credit score, a high credit score is crucial for getting approved for any loan, including a SoFi home loan. Income, your income should be sufficient to cover your monthly mortgage payments. Debt-to-income ratio, your debt-to-income ratio, which is the ratio of your monthly debt payments to your monthly income, should be relatively low. Down payment, while SoFi offers loans with low down payments, having a larger down payment can improve your chances of getting approved and securing a lower interest rate. Market conditions, the overall state of the housing market can also impact your chances of getting approved. SoFi versus traditional lenders, how does SoFi compare to traditional lenders? Speed, SoFi generally offers faster pre-approvals than traditional lenders. Convenience, SoFi's online application process is more convenient than the in-person process often required by traditional lenders. Flexibility, SoFi may be more flexible in terms of down payments and credit requirements. Cost, while SoFi's interest rates can be competitive, it's important to compare them to other lenders to ensure you're getting the best deal. Tips for a successful SoFi application. Check your credit. Before applying for a SoFi home loan, make sure to check your credit report and score. If there are any errors, take steps to correct them. Gather your documents. Have all the necessary documents ready before you start the application process. This will help you avoid delays. Be patient. Even if SoFi claims to offer fast approvals, it's important to be patient and allow time for the application process to unfold. Shop around. Don't just rely on SoFi. Compare rates and terms from multiple lenders to ensure you're getting the best deal. So, is SoFi easy to get approved for? The answer is, it depends. While SoFi offers a more streamlined and convenient application process than traditional lenders, your chances of getting approved will still depend on your individual financial situation and the overall state of the housing market. If you're considering applying for a SoFi home loan, do your research, gather your documents, and be prepared to answer questions about your financial situation. And remember, there's no substitute for shopping around and comparing offers from multiple lenders. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.